Hello, today is Monday, November the 9th, 2015. And here are your top announcements. And I don't know why I'm reading them like William Shatner, but I am. I have a tiny carton of Milk Duds here. And I wonder why they're called Milk Duds. Duds is an old way to refer to clothes. Like, I got me some new work duds or some Sunday go to meeting duds. Or why are they Milk Duds? Because really all they are is caramel. What's duddy about that? What's milky about that? They are kind of a milk caramel. So next week we have testing, November the 16th through the 19th. I think that's right. Anyway, if you're in English 1, English 2, English 3, or U.S. History, then you're going to be doing the first round of Tennessee Ready testing. So what is that? Well, if you remember that benchmark test you took a couple weeks ago on MIST, that's it. And you're lucky because in the past we've been doing these tests on paper and pencil while you guys do all your work online. This year, we finally get to do our test online. So now, instead of being disadvantaged, you have an advantage. Do your best on these. They are 90 minutes each. You have to stay for the whole 90 minutes. You might as well work for the whole 90 minutes. The first parts of these are going to be essay, so be ready to write essay. It's a little joke, a little inside, whatever. But yeah, better be ready to write. Or type a lot of words. But your teacher should have you ready for these, and you're going to do great on them, proving once again that TOPS is awesome. So, again, you have 3 major responsibilities. First responsibility is to yourself. You always want to do the best you can for yourself. It's very important. You want to do the best you can for your teacher because they get judged on how well you do. And finally, you need to do well for the school because the whole school gets judged on how you do on these tests. So blow them out of the water. Let's just, since it's a new test and we're starting a new thing, why don't we just go ahead and say that TOPS is going to be the best at these. That's what I think we ought to do. So yeah, good luck. Do your best. That's all I ask. So we have a new counselor. She's going to introduce herself on Friday, but I thought I would let her say something just hi.
Students, I'm excited to be joining you, and I can't wait to meet all of you.
And that was Mrs. Settlemyer, whose last name is almost as long as our URL, which is really exciting. But she'll be making a video for you. She's bringing a lot of ideas and energy and things to our school. So welcome to Miss Settlemyer. Very proud and happy that you're with us. Today's thought for the day is evaluate some of the behaviors in your life that make life more difficult and change them so that they make your life more easy. For example, I could do this with 100 teenagers and get 95 of them to do it incorrectly. I could give 100 teenagers an assignment that's due on December the 18th. And give them that assignment in August and say, look, you've got this one assignment, it's due December the 18th. 95 of them would not start working on it until like a week before. When the smart thing to do would be what 5 of them would do, which is do it immediately and not ever have to worry about it. Think about stuff like that. You guys do a lot. I'm just saying as a group, you need to evaluate yourself personally. Some students say, like, I never do anything dumb like that. Well, that's good. Most people do, though. So start looking at those types of behaviors and fix them. Be the person who, does work on the front end of the week instead of the back end of the week. Be that person. Be that person who takes care of business before they do something fun. Just a thought for the day. Have a good day.